So I am sitting in the car because I just got back from meeting with a client. I have not done that since before the pandemic. But I had to meet with a client today to get the documents signed and whatnot. We're not all digital. And something occurred to me. The client didn't realize I was going to take the original birth certificate. And so it reminded me of something that clients always say to me, and it's that whenever they give me a copy of a birth certificate and I say to them, this is not an original, they say, yes, it is. And clients get confused because it's a color photocopy and they think it's an original, and it's very hard to convince them that it's not an original. But once they become convinced that it is a photocopy, then the problem is trying to get them to understand that I cannot accept a photocopy. And the way I explain to them that a photocopy of a birth certificate is not a birth certificate is by explaining that if you had $100 bill and you made a photocopy of it, it would not be a legal tender. It would look exactly the same, but you couldn't spend it anywhere. That's the same for the birth certificate. A photocopy of a birth certificate is not a birth certificate. It's like just like a photograph of you is not actually you. You couldn't spend a copy of a $100 bill. You can't use a copy of a birth certificate. The only thing the copy is good for is to give you the number so you can apply for another one. Give me a call if you do need to get your Jamaican birth certificate though. I am Gail of 876 Documents. Thank you for watching.